Hello and welcome back. Today let's just try out to navigate the sketch mode, right? I'm in generative design mode and I on the sketch mode because here I just want to create the sketch, choose a proper plane. In today's lecture I would like to cover the most fundamental things in the create section. Then I will jump into the modify and at last I will click on the constraint, right? So first thing which comes in mind is I can create the line like the way you want, like vertical, horizontal, or at certain angle. You can just dimension them. Right? You can just draw a rectangle. You can make circle. You can add splines as well. You can go for arc. You can go for the polygon. You can go for the ellipse, like the vertical ellipse, or you can go for the horizontal ellipse. You can go for the slot. We have been given different kinds of slots. Check them out, it's easier. Again, we have the spline. We can have the conic curves. We can have points, sometimes we need it. We can have the text. Here you just write whatever you want. Okay. Next thing which comes in mind, that you can use a mirror, right? For that I just create another sketch. I wanna edit the sketch. Click on the mirror, choose the whole object, and automatically it will select the mirror line, which is this one. Next we can have the modify. We can have the fillet. Click on the fillet, choose this and this, assign the proper value. We can have the trim. You can trim out the sections. Next we have the chamfers. Choose two lines and assign the proper distance. Next we have the extend. Click on the line. Click on extend. And this time I want to extend this line. See? Up to this. Next I want to click on the break. I want to choose this and this, or you can simply select this line, click on the break. As you can see over here, I have just break out this section at these points. See? Now these are different sections. We can have sketch scale. Now I will choose this and point is this one. Click on the sketch scale. Entities or this one, and select point is this one, and scale factor I put it 2. See? It gets larger. Next we have the offset. Suppose I want to take offset of this at a distance of 3, and you can have the move. See? You can move entities as well. For the constraint, I make another section. Suppose I want to make things horizontal. I want to make things coincident. See, it gets coincident. You can have the tangent, you can have equal, but remember the first thing which comes in mind, first what you select the first, it will get automatically equal to that line. Suppose I want to choose both of these lines, it gets equal. And now I just want to make the parallel, suppose this point and this, or you can simply see, like, suppose for the parallel you can have this and this. See, it gets parallel. You can have the perpendicular. Suppose I just want to make the perpendicular this and this. It's showing as error. Perpendicular, like suppose I just wanna do one thing, this line and this line. Now it gets perpendicular, and you can just make things fixed so that you will not able to move them. And midpoint, I just wanna choose this, midpoint. Already automatically I've made it certain constraints, so first I will remove them and then I will make a midpoint. Choose this point, and this point. Again, let me show you why it doesn't work. See, it gets at the middle of this point. You can have the concentric mate. Suppose choose this and this, it will get inside the circle. Now these are two different circles, you can see over here. Next we can have the collinear. For that I will add some lines over here, and now I will click on the collinear, choose this and this. See, it will get in line. And now we can have the symmetry, right? For that I will add a construction line over here, and I will add a circle. Next I will click on the symmetry, choose this and draw another circle. Next I will go to the symmetry, choose this and this middle point, middle line. It will get symmetry about to this vertical center line. Now I will finish the sketch. Hope you got maximum amount of information about the sketch mode. So next time I would like to try out to navigate some of the things for the patterns, rectangular and circular, and something more, and we will do a project as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.